At Excitor, we have a product called Dynamic Mobile Exchange, DME, and we're cognizant of the fact that BlackBerry have led the market in the regard of secure mobility on handheld devices. But it is rather restrictive into the type of device you can use, and it's very prescriptive, in fact, with a lot of users finding that they have a BlackBerry and they may not want it, although they love the service because it is class-leading. Our alternative is to offer a BlackBerry type service. So you have mobile email, you have mobile device management and security, and also an interesting offshoot is mobile cost control, and we do that through device management. But we offer it on a variety of smartphone platforms. So you can get it on iPhone, you can get it on Android, Windows Mobile, also get it on Symbian, and we offer some traffic analyzing and management of BlackBerry devices as well. So the alternative is really being able to offer the end user the choice of device that they use. Another significant differentiator is that we have a server client-based architecture. So we don't rely on any middleware or third-party infrastructure. So a customer can buy from us and they can keep all of their data within their own network, whether it be an end user or it be an operator. So that's really the difference between us and BlackBerry, who are recognized as the leader in this field. No, we've got all the regulations. We're solid in that regard. Really, it's a cultural awareness issue for us. We need to be quite careful how we enter the market. We need to make sure that we've got the right types of people to represent us in the market. We need to do business in a slightly different way. The sales cycle is much longer, much more protracted here. It's much more relationship based than it is in Europe or North America or the Far East, where we're also present. So it's a slightly different type of selling for us, slightly different type of dynamic for our sales teams. But we're sure we can manage it with. There's a lot of local resources that we can call on. So we're looking while we're here. We've been talking to potential partners as well as customers. We are expanding as a company. Over the last 12 months, we've expanded out of Europe. We've recently opened up a facility in Manila in the Philippines, where we've got all of our operations there as well. We've got R&D, we've got business development. Our CTO actually sits there now. We've got an office in London now, and as of today, we've got presence in New York. So this is a new market from a global expansion point of view, but it's also a nice market opportunity for us as well. We are heavily reliant on the proliferation of smartphones to get our solution out. And the Middle East is a very aspirational market. And when you look into the enterprise channels, most users have a pretty recent smartphone. And we recognize the trend of bringing your own mobile into the workplace. So we're supporting that with our own Bring Your Own Mobile platform with DME. So it's both global expansion and also market conditions that have brought us here to the Middle East. They're very important. I mean, in this region, I mean, we understand and we know the market here is very heavily driven by the operator channel. In other markets, in other regions, we tend to work with a high degree of operator independence and actually work directly to the enterprise or through channel partners to get our solution into the enterprise. There's a very different dynamic, particularly in Europe and America, where large enterprises are looking to separate their airtime provision from their solution provision. And that hasn't happened here, and the operators still really do retain the overall control of the enterprise market. So this is a market where we will definitely be looking for strong operator ties, and our meetings this week have helped push us along that way. This has been very important for us. It's our first exposure to the market. We needed to do something reasonably big so people could see us and not just walk past one of many booths. So we took the sponsorship position, so we were front and centre, and it's a great location. We're very pleased with it. And it's been very important to establish our presence here and make sure that people are aware of who Excitor are and what DME is. So it's fulfilled all of the needs that we had of it, and that was to get our name here, get some awareness, and start building a credible partner network so that we can start penetrating the market.